very close to printing my first prototype. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, you probably haven't seen the previous video. I'll go through it. So what I'm doing is I am printing, 3D printing. I bought myself a 3D printer and I'm 3D printing my own headlight adapters for the Discovery 1. You can buy them, but I wanted to make my own and design my own. These are quite a generic one that I've printed out, well, my friend printed out for me, but they don't align with the contours of the front of the car. So I've designed my own and I am this close to printing them. Hopefully I'm going to set them off to print tonight. They're going to take quite a while, so I'm going to print them overnight. I've just got a few little fine details to measure on the original lights. These are the lights that I've took off my Discovery, and I need to find out where these mounting points are. They're the only holes that I haven't put on the drawing. Over the past week or so I have been learning CAD, and it's going quite well. I'm enjoying it. So what I'll do is I'll show you my adapter that I've made on the system. So this is my drawing. This is basically the headlight adapter that I've made. Very similar to what's already been, that I've already shown you, but these are the adapters that I've made. Now I need to concentrate on the back of the adapter, and I need to measure where the mounting points are and then put these points on here. So after yesterday, it's the next day now, after yesterday I couldn't fathom half of it out, but I've now edited it all, constructed it all, and I've got it in the slicing thing. The headlight adapter is ready to print. It will take 7 hours and 40 minutes. So let's get going. Fingers crossed it works. Fingers crossed. Urgh. Right. Print. We'll put a time lapse on. Auto bed leveling on. Give it a go. Sending print job through the cloud surface. Oh, I'm excited. I'm proper excited. Estimated finish time is 1:58. It's going. Right. Do your thing, my little thing. Do your thing-a-dang. It's got to warm up. It's got to do the heating up, and then it's got to do the bed leveling. So I want everything to be perfect. Fingers crossed it works. This is just a prototype, so even when it is done, I've still got to print another one for the other side, test it all out, and then it all needs printing again in better plastic, ABS or ASA. This is just PLA, which is cheap crap. So yeah, right, I will come back to you in a few hours, and hopefully it's a success. Fingers crossed. See you in a bit. Oh, it's looking good. It actually looks really, really good. I'm quite surprised. So it's the next day. It printed this last night and it finished at 2 o'clock this morning, but I didn't see it till obviously this morning when I got up. Very, very impressed with how it's come out. It looks really, really good. I'm really, really happy with the finish. It's proper smooth, it's nice. The angles are nice, it just looks really good. These are the supports that were on it that I've had to snap off. There's a few, it's not perfect. It needs a bit of fine tuning, but for a first attempt, I'm super happy with it. It looks really good. The light is going to go in there like that, so the light actually fits in there quite nicely. But I think that the outer hole is a bit big, so that it moves about a bit. But I'm torn between whether I make it a bit smaller or bigger, because these are standard 7-inch headlights and they don't quite fit. So they don't quite fit into this hole, which is a bit frustrating. So do I make them bigger so they accommodate these as well, or do I make them smaller? Because at the end of the day they are going to get fastened with these mounting bits there. Another thing is I've made the recess for the light too deep, so the light sits far too deep in the housing. You can see the mounting points they're not gonna do anything. So I need to make that shallower. I need to possibly make that hole a little bit bigger, and then that will fit, and then you can decide whether you want round halogens or LED lights. But yeah, other than that, everything else looks really good. I'm really happy with how it's printed. Feels strong enough, feels quite sturdy. I won't be printing it in this stuff anyway, but I'll be printing it in stronger stuff. The only other test to do is to get these headlight clips mounted on here and try it on the car. And we also need to see if my measurements are right with the holes, because they have to be right for these bits. Right, so the issue that I've got is down here. These mounting points are not perfect for mounting. One doesn't fit. This here, you can see, can be made a bit bigger. This line's still following the front of the car, which is good, which gives us the light output. Yeah, back to the drawing board. I think I need to do a bit more measuring. Right, so I've done a bit of jiggery pokering and there's a bit to change. I'm not disheartened though. Believe it or not, I'm not disheartened. It was never going to be perfect the first time. I've got a little bit of messing about to do, but overall I'm very happy. I wanted to have a prototype out by the end of this week. It's Friday. I've got a prototype. We've tested it. we can now work from here and start doing a bit more measuring and a bit more messing about to get this perfect, because this is why I've bought a 3D printer in the first place, is to make this and make it how I want it to be. So I'm going to leave the video here. Hope that you've enjoyed watching me tinkering about and learning some of this. We will be back possibly next time with another prototype that's a little further forward. We might actually have this by the end of the month done and dusted and on the car. Exciting. I am going to make it a bit bigger here so that this light can actually fit into it, because I do want to have the ability to change between a normal and an LED. I want it to be kind of universal, so I am going to change it a little bit, make it so it fits that, just for different looks. Yeah, exciting. I'm also going to change the way that I print it as well and try and do different type of printing, just to see what finishes are like. Yeah. Right. Watch this space. Prototype complete. On to the next one. Cool.